I'm Shakha Jha. I'm a corporate lawyer. I have worked with premier law firms in India as well as outside. And I am currently working as a senior counsel with ANSEL. So Fire AI helps in preparing dashboards, I think, for different sectors. So I believe even for the legal sector, if they are able to prepare the dashboards where we can get the clarity on the clauses under different agreements, and it can actually categorize and classify the different agreements or clauses based on the severity and the monetary threshold involved. So that will be really helpful. The other way, I think it could help, through legal research. So that is something that Fire AI can help legal professionals on. The other could be that I think is very important to actually classify the chaotic data into actually classified and good insights and very structured insights. So that is something would be really helpful for the legal professionals. When I looked at Fire AI, I maneuvered through it. I found it pretty different from the others because it's quite efficient. It doesn't take so much time, and also it's very precise and accurate. And the best thing I loved about it is it's more conversational. If it doesn't know about a particular legal query, it helps you by giving you 3 or more options, and then it asks you to verify it. It doesn't hallucinate. So I think that's what is the key, thing about Fire AI.